Hi guys, just a quick video introduction. Today I'm going to clean our toilet or bathroom, so just hang on and keep on watching how I do clean our bathroom. Stay tuned and welcome to our bathroom. Yes. And guys, here is our bathroom, and today I am going to clean our shower cabinet. Yes, our shower cabinet. It's not easy to clean the shower cabinet every day. So I have decided to wash it or clean it once a week. So Sunday would be perfect. So I don't know guys if you see the one that I mean. It's the fats or the shampoo or the fats that remains when we shower, that sticks on the glass cabinet or the door. So we have our bathtub there, and then yes, and here I am. Hello. Then
20 minutes later.
so guys, what I am doing here right now is scrubbing and removing the stains from the glass cabinet, and it was very fun. I had fun removing the stains. It is because that I feel that I am successfully removing the stains. So uh, it took me a while to remove them, but in the end I am very happy. So stay tuned. I'm going to let you see how the result comes out.